Hi, my people. Welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. It's day 40. I am Francisca Mailiana Zonki, your lead tutor for this challenge. So today we are going to be looking at something interesting called DAX. DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expression. The E is omitted and we use the X to explain. Alright. So all that it is actually formulas in Power BI. Like that's the best way I can explain it to you for you to understand. The formulas you see in Excel is similar to that here in Power BI. So let's look at that as well. So I'm going to go on my laptop to do that quickly and then we call it a wrap for today. Okay. So we are still on our data set and there's a lot of information already created, right? Or there's a lot of now calculation done already, but let's try to find one calculation we can do or one formula we can bring, right? We can find the average scores. Okay, so to find the average scores or to create a DAX for the average, we are going to actually find out. Okay, first and foremost, let's start with the sum. So the sum DAX. First, I'm going to create a new measure, right? So creating a new measure, and the formula will be here. All right, so I'm going to do um some scores or total job offer. All right, then I come in front of the right. So this is the measure, this is the DAX that I am doing, and it's you use the measure to create it. So total offer, then I just go equal to the sum of, sorry, I wanted to take the sum of, right, sum of the job offer. I want to know the total job offer that was given to this set of people. Then I click on enter or this commit, right, the correct. So I do that and there's a new measure created called the job of total job offer. So let's get a card, right? Let's go to here and get a card. Okay, so I'm going to get to this card and I'm going to click on total job offer. So it's giving me the total. So that is DAX. So let's look at average again. So I'm going to go for new measure and I'm going to say average, right? I can make it in the average of jobs. All right, so now I'm going to say type average. So you see it's formulas and opens and it's going to tell me, okay, I'm going to take for the job offers. I close my bracket and I press enter. It has created a new job offer called the average of jobs. So let me just change it here so that I see the card, right? So it's more of like hue creating. So the average job offer is about 2.7, right, which is roughly about 3 job offer given to an individual estimated, right? So this is another measure or another DAX, right? So the next DAX we are going to look at will be count. We want to count the number of students, right? So I'm going to do new measure and I'm going to name it number of students. Number of students, right? So this helps you actually present in your card with like the total information, right? So I'm going to say count, right? Then I'm going to count the total number of students according to their student ID, right? I close my bracket and I count. All right, so let's see the number of students that is there. Sorry, I have to take off the average. Then now I take the number of students, 400. Do you get the idea of DAX, right? So this is DAX. It helps you actually calculate the final report so that it's easier for you to just put in your cards and all that. So yeah, that's what we have for today. I'm going to see you on day 41. All right. See ya. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to subscribe as you are here. And I'm going to see you on day 41. Bye for now.